Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 to Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to use your Zedge ringtone on your Android devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use your Zedge ringtones on your Android device, you just simply have to open your Zedge application at first. Then after opening the application, it will give you the option of ringtones into here. You just simply have to tap into that ringtones option and you can select a bunch of options from here. You just simply have to choose the ringtone that you want and then tap to this download button. Then after tapping into that download button, you will directly get the option of set ringtone option. Just simply tap into that and allow the permission of your Android device, and then your ringtone will successfully be set. By following these very easy steps, you can easily use ringtones on your Android from the Zedge application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.